Okay, so for number one, it asks for which representation of a transformation on a coordinate grid does not preserve congruence. So you're gonna have to write the question, like I said, in red, what I have circled, you're gonna write number one, write that question out, and then you can go ahead and write the answer out, which I'll underline. I mean, it's the only one there for you, but write the answer, okay? And then underneath that answer on your notebook paper, you're going to have to write this in, okay? Let me zoom it in some. Get the pointer. Okay, whatever I have written right there is what you're going to have to write in. Let me kind of see if I can do a little bit of, no, we'll just keep it like that. Okay. All right. So what else? Everything else that I have written here needs to be written out also. All right. Exactly how it is, word for word. If it's not, then I'm not going to count it. We're not going to count these test corrections. Okay. All right. That's number one. You can go ahead and pause after each one. You need to. Okay. Number two asks about the pentagon that's translating 1 unit to the left and 10 units down. So you go ahead and write out the answer, the question, write the question I have circled, and then you can go ahead and write the answer, which is A. All right. Then once you have that, then here's what else you'll need to write in. If I can zoom it, make it bigger. Whoops. Hold on a second. Okay, so that's also what you're going to be. Oh my gosh, let me change this. It's all right. Okay, so there. Let's make this up. And there we go. You're going to have to write that all out. Translation means the figure, it should be the figure. The figure is sliding. 1 unit to the left means x minus 1. 10 units down means y minus 10. Okay? All right, there we go. I'll just underline what you need to write. And that's number two. Okay, number three, you need to write out the question. And it's a reflection question across the y-axis. Okay, write out the answer, which is B, there. And then the explanation that I have here is that. Let me go ahead and get rid of this square right here. Seems like that's causing some problems here. So we'll get rid of it. Let me erase this stuff here. Just like so. And then let's put in there. All right, had to make some adjustments, but there we go. Okay, so write down the question, write down the answer, and then write down the explanation. Okay, so number four, write out that question. I know it's a lot, but you're going to have to write the whole thing out. Okay, the answer, which is C, and then also the explanation. Whoops. Let me get that. Is there. All right. Okay, number five is there. It's talking about translation. There's our answer, which is B, and then our explanation, which is there. Okay? Okay, number six is an effective scale factor. So write out the question, write out the answer, and then write out the explanation. Okay, number seven is another transformation which does not preserve congruence, okay? So there's your answer, there's the explanation. Okay, number 8, the question. Right there in red, the answer, which is C, and then there is your explanation. Whoops, hold on. Let me figure this out. Why it's not. We just need to make it bigger. There we go. Okay, so there it is. All right. Okay, number 9. Sorry, I'm not gonna make you write out the whole question, but I do need you to write out those 2 bullet points talking about the classes, writing the equation. So that's why the answer is C. Okay, and then there is your explanation. Underline for you. There we go. Okay, number 10. The question's there. The answer is C, and then there's your explanation. All right. So remember, just write all this stuff out. It might take some time, but we need you to learn this stuff. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.